ripped our trolling motor off. Can we fix it? Let's find out. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Kevin again with Yerkit Racing. We're back in the shop again today, working on my buddy Peter Cotton Brown's boat here. He's been bunny hopping the Timeless through the tall timbers again. Got the old Tarova caught up on a large cypress knee, ripped it off the front. Parts were flying everywhere. It looked like a gunfight in a Western movie for a minute. Does that about cover it?
Yeah, that about covered it, man. We did a number on it, man. Yeah, we can't call it a Timeless no more.
Yes. So anyway, we had a rough go of it that day, but we're going to get it fixed up now. Let's see if we can get it going. Alright guys, so we're starting here with the holes in the boat. We kind of ripped a couple of screws up out of it, if you can see. Pulled that one and that one pretty bad, but this one over here, it really mangled it a little bit. So we're going to have to kind of knock everything back flat and put some welds on these cracks and stuff, get it fixed back up, and then we're going to probably go and put some riv nuts in it. And then I think that'll be a lot better, solution than having the screws ran down in it like they did before. So that's where we're going with it. We're going to go ahead and start now and get this top panel pulled out so we don't burn it when we're welding. And yeah, that's what we're doing.
Rounded that head right off.
Oh yeah. You don't need all of them anyway.
Yeah, you just need a couple.
Should be alright. If you ain't got bolts left over after the project, you ain't doing it right.
That's right.
Alright guys, so you can see more what we're looking at here now. We got the panel pulled out here and getting ready to try, see if we can flatten these back out and grind them smooth and hit them with the welder. Yeah, I don't think it'll be too bad. So just want to get carried away. We'll just knock the tops off then. I don't want to end up bending it. Alright, so what we're going to have to do is just grind it and then we'll just have to stitch it.
The thing about right here, we ain't got no damage right there. We can still put a nut through there. Guess we'll be alright.
Yeah, because I'm gonna plug weld the whole thing.
Okay.
And I'll probably do that here too. Well, I don't know, we might not have to worry about it here because the hole is bigger. But
definitely have to do with that.
But this one where it's blown out, I'm gonna plug weld that one. We'll just re-drill it, and then I'm gonna weld that right there. And that should be all we really got to weld is just those two little, or those couple spots. Like it never happened.
That's right. Very nice.
Alright. Now all we gotta do is pull the put the trolling motor back up there, mark this hole again.
Right, yep.
And then we'll drill them all for the rivets and we go.
I have them from him.
Alright guys, I really hope you're enjoying the video. Just wanted to invite you over to Yerkit Racing Spread Shop where you can find all sorts of merchandise. You name it, it's probably in there. So go over, find you something you like, take a picture of it in action and send it to yerkit_offroad@yahoo.com. We could include some of these pictures at the end of our videos and share it with the rest of the community. Every order you place on this site is greatly appreciated. It really goes a long ways to making sure that we're able to continue to bring you content.
That look about center?
I'll tell you what, let me get this punch. I can see good from here.
Just do it a couple times like that. Alright.
Yep, we got something.
Good deal. Alright guys, so we got everything welded back up and ground back down nice and flat and smooth. We got to take now and we're going to run these riv nuts in it. A little nut search for sheet metal. So this will basically screw down and then we'll drill the holes bigger, we'll put those in, and then they pull up like a rivet on the back side, and then we'll just run our 5/16 bolts down in it with our stainless hardware and we'll be good to go. Alright, we'll keep going. You know what we didn't do?
What's that?
We didn't put a mark for that one.
Ooh.
Don. Feast Pony Hip Hop Anonymous. Want to run these 3 and then mark that one. You ready?
All right. Look good.
I measured it on the thing. It's supposed to be the right size.
Oh yeah.
Tap it down in there. I might have to go to the next size up. I wanted to go a little bit on the tight side to start with.
So that just expanded the.
You can feel it up under there. What it does, it like pinches the ring. It like pulls the body of itself up around the hole. So it basically crushes and like expands that out. I wish we could get a shot of it. It's gonna be hard to get it on the camera.
Yeah, I don't know if I can get that down underneath there or not.
But that's what it does. It just like it pulls the tube down to this flange, and it kind of sandwiches the metal between the flange and that, so it can't pull back out.
I got you. Okay.
Right down in there one more time just to make sure I got it all the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's as far down as it'll go. So it's all the way up.
Okay.
Pretty cool though, right?
Yeah, that's pretty neat. We'll see how she holds up.
I think it'll do fine. Like that's what my car's mounted with, and my shifter in my car.
Oh, that should be good.
And I want to say I'm pretty sure I got 1/4 20s in those.
Oh, really? Yeah, we want a little extra on this one. 5/16. That should be more than enough.
You would think. I like it. I think you can adjust the tool to do it more at a time.
Mm-hmm.
But it's so much harder to squeeze it.
Yeah.
It's just kind of like sneaking up on it. I feel like is the best way to go.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so we'll have 3 in the boat. Even if we don't mark this one, we'll have another one back here that's in the board.
We can still put that one in, man, just so you know. It ain't that big a deal. We just
have to set this back up here and then mark that hole again.
Yep.
That might be.
I think it's the way to go. That's what I would do.
We just need to go ahead and do it.
Yeah. It'll take but a few extra minutes. These things will give a little bit more rigidity to this plate too, because of where it's crimping down.
Mm-hmm.
It forces it to be flat right up underneath them. You can tell the difference, like where it was like oil canning before.
Okay. Yeah.
Kind of flimsier looking. It's already stiffened. See how it's like pulling it straight.
Yeah. Nice. We can hit all kinds of stuff with this now.
I'll deal with it. Time will tell, man. Time will tell in the timeless.
Yes. Well, she ain't timeless no more, man. You took the paint off of her and welded on her and everything, man.
That's what makes her timeless.
I guess, man.
I don't know if it's where it's hitting under here or what.
Probably so, because you are catching the side of that rail just a little bit, but I think we'll be okay. We should still be able to bite into it okay. It's in there, right?
It's in there, but was it that or was it the nut insert? Because look at the inside of the nut insert. It looks like they messed it up. Like it's not centered like these. These holes are straight in the middle and that one's off to the side, so that was kind of weird.
Well, I mean,
hadn't seen one like that, but I guess
it should still work.
Yeah, I mean, I think it'll be alright.
Yeah.
And we need to put that up there and do that one.
Yeah, you're not getting that one. Shouldn't have slid underneath there down in the hole.
Oh boy.
3 out of 4 ain't bad.
Who's counting?
Who's counting? I mean, what else we gonna do?
I might have a nut that fit it in there somewhere. Probably do.
That'd be pretty cool.
That would be decent.
Stripped.
It's all good.
It's in there now. It don't matter.
Send it. Full
Next
send.
time we gotta do this. I mean, the next time, but all right. There's that. We ain't finding no hit.
Oh. Hammer. You get the hammer, Drew. We got this.
She in there now.
Yeah, she's on there. Good.
Okay, I guess I hit these bottom ones up. Hell, at this point, who cares about a hole? We'll both be like Swiss cheese, man.
Oh, I'm about to pee on myself.
I can't even screw this thing up, man. Damn it. There we go. Yeah, see how easy that was? Hell, easy that was. Why can't we do it on the top?
Hold on. There's one something right now. That's the one that broke off.
Yeah, we down one. We're gonna be missing all kinds of hardware on this boat.
Wasn't one of them that you broke off in this top? Like we went beside him. It's fine.
It's fine. Shoot, that might be why that thing wasn't going in.
It probably is. I didn't think about it at the time.
Oh, that. Ooh.
Oh
That's
yeah.
the heavy end.
Oh yeah. Don't do it.
Okay.
All right. There's some other stuff
Okay.
there.
That's good enough. We just need a couple. That's all we need.
That's probably all was in it anyway.
Good enough.
I don't see any other holes in it. All right. So trolley motor back up there time.
Let me put my nice anchor block on. It's custom wood right there.
Custom. One off.
What you think about that woodworking job, man?
It's decent. Seems as strong as anything I've seen.
It holds. It ain't pretty, but she holds. Yeah, I don't know about this one over here, man. Wanting to go in sideways, and
So it's not really going in.
it starts to go in. But let me see.
Are these tight?
Nah, I loosen them up. I mean, I can try to get them even looser when it gets a lot of play.
What we can do is drill this hole right here a hair bigger. So, because it's what it is trying to pull it that way. It's like the hole needs to be a little bit bigger. See what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Drill that one a hair bigger and then go from there. Looks like we got better access to the hole though. So,
It'll start going, then you'll feel it get real tight. Or you're just going to run a tap through it.
we're just clean it up. It's probably like where you was tightening before, it probably started trying to pull it weird. Should be better. Sound like it cleaned a little bit of stuff out. The dangle bed. It's so sensitive.
Alright, that's
So-
how you do that.
Gotta feel it hit the thread just right. Alright guys, so there we got it. One trolling motor, platform, whatever you want to call it thing, repaired up here. Everything turned out pretty nice. Appreciate you guys following along with the video. You happy with it, John?
I'm happy with it. It's strong, man. I think it'll do just fine. I'll hit some more logs with it.
Good deal. Hopefully we'll be back on the water soon for more. And yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.
Damn, Kev. Thanks, man.
Glad I could help.